Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to add your own local business to Google My Business. So the process of adding your local business to Google is pretty straightforward. And in today's video, I'll show you guys some simple steps to follow in order to do so. So of course, to start things off, let's go by going to google.com/business and then hit enter. So we're going to be setting up Google My Business. So the first thing you want to do is click on the prominent blue button labeled Manage Now. This will open a new tab to log into your Google account. And if you're already logged in with your Google account, you'll automatically see the options on the same page. So let's start things first by entering your official business name. Then you may see your address pre-filled in if Google has already matched your business name with your website or if your business is already listed in their database. So I'll give you some options. If you're already listed but not managing the account, go to Google Maps to find your listing and click on Claim This Business. This will open up a new tab allowing you to claim this said business. But in this video, we'll be creating a brand new business with a name that we chose, so simply click on the button and press continue. Alright, so we're going to choose our business type. There are a bunch of options here, whether it's an online retail store, a local physical store, or a service-based business that requires appointments. In our case, we're going to be needing some visiting customers, so we're going to go with this option. If you do have multiple categories that apply to your business, feel free to select whatever applies to your business. Then specify our business category. As you can see, Google offers a list of available categories to choose from, and just pick the one that best describes your business. The next option you're going to see is to define your service area. This is a crucial step for local businesses. So simply choose the proper locations that you'll be serving in. In our case, I'm going to be going with this location. And also, just ensure you've accurately covered all your potential service areas. Next up, we're going to be providing our contact details. So include your business phone number, and if possible, include your business website as well. And of course, enable the option to get discovered, to respond to reviews, and to manage your business details on Google. Feel free to also subscribe to the Google newsletter for news and tips for managing your business and anything Google business related. If you do want to receive these updates, check the box. Otherwise, leave it unchecked and then press continue. Next up, we're going to be verifying your physical mailing address. So just fill in the complete street address, city, state, and zip code. What's going to happen is Google will send a postcard to the address with a PIN code for verification. So just wait for the snail mail to arrive and you can add the PIN code later when you do receive your mail. Now the next step is adding your services as a business. If the predefined options that Google offers doesn't cover everything that your business can do, you can add custom services yourself. For instance, I can choose these options and add them as custom options myself. Once you've chosen all the potential services that your business can offer, scroll down and then press Next. Next, we'll be specifying our business hours. This is an important option as well, since it'll make it clear when your business is open for business. Then, you decide if you want customers to send you messages via Google Business itself. Feel free to keep it enabled if you're open to receiving messages on this platform, or also turn it off if you wish to only receive phone calls. Then enable the button that allows customers to request a quote directly from your Google Business profile. Now, a business description. This is important since you also want to make sure that your business description contains SEO-friendly text. Don't forget to also briefly describe your services and your service areas. Take your time with the business description option since this will impact how well your business will be seen on Google itself. Next up, you want to also upload photos that showcase your work of your business. Do note that before and after pictures are particularly effective using SEO generation on Google. Next up, you may be offered about some money in $500 in free advertising credit, but for the purposes of this video, let's just skip this for now, especially if you're just starting out with your Google My Business. Now, on the next page, Google will emphasize that your edits will only be visible after your business is verified. Do take note of this and then click on Continue to move on to the next step. So, the next step is to wait for verification from Google regarding your Google My Business profile. All you have to do is wait for verification, and once you've received it, go to your Google My Business profile and it should be freely accessible by your Google account. By going to your profile, you can see your profile, customer interactions, and even your business reviews on Google. Don't forget to encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews using the provided link on your Google Business profile. And also, enable notifications for your Google mailbox or check your mailbox regularly for the verification postcard as it takes some time to arrive. In my case, it took a couple of days for my verification to come in, but it may take shorter or faster depending on certain factors. So, you've now reached the tail end of our video. If you've followed the video so far and you followed all the steps that I've shown you, you would have successfully set up your business on Google and would have enhanced your online presence. Don't forget that utilization of customer reviews is a valuable marketing tool. And that's really all there is to setting up your Google My Business profile. If you have any other questions or want to express your gratitude, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Also, if you feel like you learned something new, don't forget to like this video. And as always, subscribe to the channel for more entertaining and educational videos just like this one. If you wish, feel free to check out our other videos because I do believe that they are all just as equally informative. And that's really all there is for the time we have today. Good luck with your Google My Business, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Take care for now.